Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to reset the HomePod Mini now. Start by confirming it's plugged in and within range of your iPhone's Wi-Fi. On your iPhone, open Home app and locate the HomePod. Once located, press and hold the HomePod tile to view settings. Scroll down to remove accessory. Tap Remove Accessory to disassociate it from your home. This clears the software link. It does not erase devices physically. After removal, wait at least 10 seconds before proceeding to the hardware reset steps in the next section. Now perform the hardware reset. Unplug the HomePod Mini, wait 5 seconds, then plug it back in. After power returns, press and hold the top touch surface. Keep holding when the white spinning light turns red. Continue holding until you hear 3 beeps. That sound confirms the device is erasing. Make sure your iPhone stays within Bluetooth range during this process so the HomePod can update its state. Once you hear the beeps, release and allow the HomePod to finish its factory reset and restart automatically. After the HomePod restarts, open the Home app to set it up again. Tap Add Accessory and follow on screen prompts to name the speaker, assign a room, and reapply personal requests and Siri settings. This reestablishes Apple ID pairing. If setup fails, try rebooting your iPhone and HomePod. Confirm both use the same 2.4/5 GHz network and disable VPNs temporarily. If problems persist, reset the HomePod again or contact Apple support. Remember, backups aren't required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.